Welcome. Today in front of me Nokia T20 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then just tap on the sound section. Here you'll see the notification volume panel. Just to mute your notification, swipe this blue dot with your finger to the left side, and by this way you can mute all your notifications on Nokia T20. Also we got the second way how you can do that. Just first be sure you should go here to the right side of your tablet. Here you got the two volume buttons. Just press one from the volume buttons here. Oh sorry, I just locked the device. Just press one from the volume buttons, and here you will see the volume panel. Just tap here on the settings icon, and by the same way swipe this blue dot to the left side, and by this way you can mute your notifications, and then just tap to done to confirm. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.